Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely Tuesday so far. For today's Taco Tuesday and for this week's cleaning motivation, I'm going to be cleaning my master bathroom, my master bedroom, and I'm also going to be tidying up the laundry room. I think I'm also going to do just a little bit of laundry, or at least fold some laundry that I had already from the previous day. But I'm going to start off by clearing the countertops, and I'm also going to remove the rugs and just shaking them off a little bit so that then I can go ahead and vacuum. I'm going to be using the Scrubbing Bubbles bathroom cleaner to spray that all onto the walls of my shower and the floor as well. I'm going to make sure that I get deep into the corners of my shower because that's usually where the grime tends to accumulate. And then I'm going to use one of my favorite things to use on the shower, which is a magic eraser. This works so well to remove all of that soap scum. So I'm just going to clean my shower as well as the glass with that magic eraser. And guys, this is like life-changing. It works really well to remove any water spots from the glass. Using a microfiber cloth, I'm going to rinse that with water and make sure that I take out all of the cleaner from the shower doors and the shower wall as well. Once the water has dried from the glass doors, you can always go ahead and clean them with glass cleaner just to give that extra shine, but this will work just fine. After rinsing the cloth, I'm going to dust the area where our tub is at. I have recently cleaned this tub just a couple days ago, so it wasn't dirty. It just needed some dusting, so the windowsills and just that top area of the tub. I'm going to spray the Scrubbing Bubbles bathroom cleaner inside the sinks and just giving that a good scrub. Now I'm just using a multi-surface cleaner. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Honeysuckle multi-surface cleaner, and this is by far like one of my favorite scents from them. And I'm just going to use that to clean the countertops. I'm going to clean the mirrors of the bathroom with my favorite glass cleaner so far. This is from the brand Sprayway, and I know you're probably tired of me using this same one, but guys, I've used the Method glass cleaner. I've used Windex. Nothing works as good as this one. And I also love this one because I can use it on my stainless steel faucets. It does such a great job at shining them, but overall it does such a great job at cleaning mirrors because it leaves no streaks behind. Next, I'm going to be using a more recent buy. This is the Scrubbing Bubbles toilet bowl cleaner, and this smells so good. I think it's in the scent lavender. And then I'm also going to be using some Lysol wipes to clean the rest of the toilet. I always start with the cleanest part of the toilet and then I move on to the dirtiest. In our little toilet room, we have no plugs to plug in any plugins for air fresheners. So I like this option, which is a solid air freshener, so I can place on top of the toilet seat. It definitely leaves my toilet room smelling nice and fresh. Now I'm going to be using the Pine-Sol to clean the floor. This is in the scent Sparkling Wave, and again, it smells very fresh and clean. I just love scents like these for the bathroom. Now I'm going to be folding some laundry. This is actually 2 loads of laundry from yesterday. Thankfully, it wasn't too much, but my husband was supposed to come and help me, and instead, he just lays down to sleep. Just kidding. He actually did help me. It wasn't much again, but the company is always welcomed. I don't like to fold laundry if I'm not either watching TV, listening to music, or talking to my husband. I think that laundry is like my least favorite chore to do, so I always need some sort of entertainment to keep me going because God knows I do not like to fold laundry. now that the bathroom floor is completely dry, I can go ahead and put my rugs back in. And I'm also going to put a plug-in. This is from Glade and it's in the scent Clean Linen. This is my favorite one for the bathroom. So the bathroom is complete and I'm going to move on to my master bedroom. I'm really just going to be dusting the furniture here. That's really all that's needed. But I'm using a Swiffer to do that. It's like the easiest one, this handheld one. I'm going to try to link it down below. And yeah, just dusting everything. And then after that, I'm going to be using the 7th generation wood cleaner and polisher to clean up the furniture from any fingerprints or dust. And I'm going to also be using a microfiber cloth. This is from Grove Collaborative and it's one of my favorites to clean the furniture. I'm also going to dust my husband's cologne and my perfumes because this area tends to get dusty as well. To clean the glass, I use the same glass cleaner from Sprayway, and then I got this super cute frame at Hobby Lobby. It says "Grow Old with Me, the best is yet to be." I'm super obsessed with Hobby Lobby and I just thought this was perfect for a bedroom. The hallway just needs some tidying up. This is another area in our house aside from our dining table where we just kind of just throw stuff until it's time to clean, where we actually put it back where it goes. But this is like one of those areas where things just rest for a day or maybe even a couple days. But here I'm just restocking the toilet paper. I don't like to have it in the bag that it comes in. It just looks kind of messy in the laundry room. And while I was at it, we change our filters once a month and it was like time. As you can see, it was black, so I changed that. And here I'm just restocking some of the laundry detergent in our little laundry container. This I love. I believe my mom got this at Kirkland's a while back. And the jar with the detergent pods is also from Kirkland's. Using a Swiffer, I'm going to dust this area as well, and then I'm going to use a multi-surface cleaner, the same Mrs. Meyer's in the scent Honeysuckle, to clean the tops of our laundry machines. I have this little 3-tiered wire shelf that I got at Target a while back to organize my laundry detergents. So that's what I'm doing right now. It just needed some organization. And then after that, I'm going to be putting a new trash bag into my trash bin. And that's it, guys. Today I kept it very simple by just tackling a few things. Again, your Tackle Tuesday list does not have to be like something super overwhelming, just something attainable. Today this was all I was able to get to, and that's okay. Sometimes you don't need to clean a whole lot in one day. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, I would love to welcome you. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for continuing to watch my videos. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.